We're going to take a look at the Montech X3 mesh version RGB fan. Okay, let's turn it on. And here's the RGB. That is it. Just those colors. And you can shut it off. On, off. So 3 on top, bottom, or 3 on the side. 2. I'll show you later. There it is. Have RGB. The fan has RGB, but could be controlled by a motherboard if you have one, but mine doesn't. Top has 2 RGBs that don't change color. It's on or off. That's it. So let's take off this thing. There's that one. Let's see. And yeah, that is it. So it is okay. This case is, I don't recommend this case unless you really just want RGB and no RGB. Yeah, that's it. If you want no RGB and RGB, yeah, this case is fine. But let me see. I don't think there's much wrong with this case, other than, let me see if I can shut it off. I'll show you. So the hard drive SSD goes here, and a screw nut is that. Okay, this. And then it's right there, right behind the SSD. And that's how you're supposed to mount it up. It says mount up or something. And it's like, it won't even fit. So I had to use a different screw, and I don't even know if that screw's correct to fit it. But it's like, really? That's it? And the fan power's here. And yeah, you can't change the color. You have to change all the fan lighting. If I knew it was just default colors that won't change, then I wouldn't have gotten it. So yeah, that's it. Other than that, this is, let's take a look what's inside. So let's see. Motherboard I have is, have a 2 gig or 8 gig 35 or 5080 and Intel 7th gen 7600, 16 gigs of RAM, and the motherboard is, let's see, you can see it. Whoops. The motherboard is right there. Asus H110M-CS. Power supply is there. One power supply is there for the motherboard, socket, fan. This is a ITX motherboard, I think, or something. I'm not sure. It's pretty small. It's okay. It works. It runs. The nice part is the graphics card is lower by 2, and then you can plug in the Wi-Fi slots right there, which is nice. So it doesn't block the fan movement of the intake to push out here and push out there. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, yeah, I don't know. If you want just RGB and just off on, that's nice. And then you can turn it on if you want. And then yeah, but I would be okay with this case, but I don't know if other people would be okay with this case. And I wouldn't. I don't know. For me, it would be okay. It's sort of tall though. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys.